Okay, so it's time I take my braids out. I've had braids for about 3 days. My head is so itchy because during like this time of year, for a little bit, I'll get like really bad itchy scalp. Oh my God. Oh my God. Good morning. I took out my braids. Feels nice to actually rub my hands through my hair. I'm going camping today. I haven't slept properly in the past 2 days. Yeah. So I just took a nap. I feel okay, but let me show you what it looks like outside. Rain or shine, I'm camping. It's kind of like my camping bag. In here I have like bug spray, lighter fluid, flashlight, duct tape, cards, some cooking utensils, one person tent that I think I'm gonna retire because it's humongous. This is supposed to be my backpacking tent and it's too big. This is my sleeping pad, -30 sleeping bag. I just really wanted to talk about this bag right here. This little Arc'teryx bag has been with me through thick and thin. It's honestly my favorite bag of all time. It's gonna be one of those bags I have with me for my entire life. I almost lost it in Bali. I have a TikTok about it, but someone stole this bag with my GoPro at the time in it. I got it back. I don't even think you can get this bag anymore. I've never seen it ever again, like on the Arc'teryx websites or anything. At Walmart right now grabbing the last few little things that I think I need. I don't even know. I'm on my way to Surrey to go grab Daniel and Kat, and we are headed camping, baby. Let's go!
I can barely see myself. Oh, nice. That's sick. One for me?
Yeah, I gotta set yours up though. Yeah. Let's just show that off really quick.
Represent.
See, real friends wear your brands, okay? If your friend doesn't wear your brand, he's not a real friend. Come on, man. Okay, I'm gonna give Daniel his gift. And Kat. Okay, come here. Hi, come here. Open your hands after you put that. Come here really quick. Quick, just hold her hand out and close your eyes. Well, don't open. Don't open. Don't open. Wait. Before you open, what do you think it is? You can feel it.
Candy.
No.
Oh.
Do we have any ideas?
I have no idea.
No one has a guess? No guess.
Clip-on, some sort of clip-on.
Okay, we can open now.
What is it?
We don't know?
What is it?
It's a light.
Oh,
nice.
For your hat. It goes on your hat.
Really?
On the front.
Daniel's hat.
Yeah. I stole it. I stole it.
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
No, I know where we're going now.
Here, which way? Left?
You can go straight.
Straight down. All right.
You can go right too. We're two different kinds of dressed up right now. You're dressed up for like camping, and I'm dressed up to like be on an airplane. Yeah. It's the two kinds of camping attire.
I wish I had a job that required me to wear this.
Yeah, any excuse to wear that.
You know? It's so, I feel so good in it. Like, it just makes me feel good.
That does look good to be in.
You know?
You feel like more of a man.
Yeah. It definitely ups your man level a little bit.
So right lane would be good.
Right lane coming up?
Yeah.
You bring your guitar?
Where is my guitar?
You didn't bring it, did you? You little fool.
That was like the one thing you grabbed.
I didn't see it.
That means we also left the cooler and my Crocs. The cooler of food.
Where did you put it?
It's by the kids' doors.
Oh my God, you fucking idiot.
Those two things.
You fucking
Idiot. Say I'm an idiot. Say it.
I'm an idiot.
Thank you. One more time.
No, I forgot. I was too distracted.
Of what? You're lucky I said something. Or
Yeah.
we would have been fucked.
Yeah.
You would have been eating fucking dogs. And drinking protein
Is he
shakes.
seriously not in here?
Okay, but how are they doing now?
You're fine.
Bears in the area, although we haven't seen any in the campground. Just make sure your coolers, garbage recycling is in your vehicle at all.
Is that your friend?
Yeah. That's one of them. Ah, fuck it.
Chugging it?
No, we're not chugging.
Wait,
Just cheers it.
Make a fucking toast.
Me? Okay. To friendship. Oh. To being connected through nature and friendship, time, and fun times.
Okay. Cheers to that.
Wonderful. You're chugging it?
I know we're shooting it. I'll chug it now. Send her home.
Fuck you, I'm sending it home.
Send her home.
That is disgusting.
Sent.
If it wasn't for us walking on the dock, it would have been a perfect meal. You know, Cal looks like a pond.
Yeah. This is properly.
It's crazy.
A worm juice all over. Okay.
Wow.
That's fishing, buddy.
How are we feeling?
Feeling pretty good.
Just demand the great outdoors.
Oh, you gotta use the. There we go. No, it's good now.
You wish.
Nice shot, buddy. Nice shot. Might have flew off.
Do people usually cheapskate on the worms?
Do people usually cheapskate on the worms and cut them in half? Well, actually, I cut it in a fucking order. Cheers. Cheers, brother. Fucking cheers. Happy Hanukkah. Happy.
Your toast.
My toast. To the love we have for each other that our parents apparently didn't give to us. Cheers. To that.
Cheers.
It's a Pinot Noir by Naomi, correct? From California.
Okay.
Napa Valley.
Napa Valley. Okay.
Yep.
What would you rate it?
Ooh, for me, out of 5, this is at least a 4.2.
I'm giving it a 4-5. Kat, what
Yeah?
are your thoughts on it?
It's a 5.
Naomi's so good.
Naomi is Kat's favorite vino.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you guys doing?
Great.
How was your experience last night and tonight?
Last night was great before I fell asleep. After I fell asleep, fucking one of the worst things to ever happen.
What happened to you?
I drowned. I was double yoked, dodging lava, and Then I fucking lived 1,000 lives inside of a car.
Basically, his tent flooded. They didn't put up their fly properly, and they just like put their fly on top of their tent rather than like pulling it out. So it's like the water's falling off. They just right onto the tent.
Okay, back there. How much wood is there? How much wood do we get?
Huh? I just got one bundle. Should
Is that a shit ton?
It's whatever you can fill that up with. I don't know.
I can't see what that is. Is it bigger than what we got? Same?
I'd say a little bit smaller than the one bundle we got. Should we get another bundle?
No, I don't think so because it took us one.
I'll come back if anything. We're just doing morning, you know.
Yeah.
We're just trying to get the morning going, and then we'll get our
Dry off our stuff.
yeah.
We'll take it as it comes.
Oh, it's cheap.
Yeah.
That's really good. Tomato based.
The cheese and man, I had 5 so now.
That looks so good.
Do a dash of some olive oil and
You think I didn't?
we're done.
Whatever you want, I'll roll the car back.
Go to a pharmacy and
That's why you need a plate.
How is it?
It's a bit spicy.
That's a new breakfast to make. When you're trying to impress a girl, make that. That's good.
What did you tell me? I looked like I had a little condom on my head.
What are your thoughts?
My thoughts? You know what? My day has actually turned around. Even though I'm soaking wet, I at least now know that I'll be in a safe space to sleep.
That's good.
That's it.
Good to have. To know you have a safe space.
And what about she?
She's going as much as she can with the circumstances.
What hindrances are there?
The rain.
You don't like it?
We don't like it. No, you know how you were having your moment earlier?
Yeah.
I'm now having mine.
Yeah.
But I can just take this and all that will go away. We're cutting that out. Piece of cake. Oh, he's opening it.
That's like that.
You're still, I can actually see it right now.
You were sleeping. Oh, yeah.
So I just dropped off Daniel and Kat. Ooh, camping, Sayers Lake. It was really fun. It's pretty close. The drive was only like an hour and a half. I had fun. It was good laughs. The rain was pretty bad. Daniel and Kat got their tent completely soaked in because they didn't have a proper fly. So we had to deal with that. But they were troopers for having good spirits. Well, we're about 5 seconds away from home, and I'm gonna turn this off and go say hello to my bathroom.
little update. Still not sure if I'm gonna kicked out yet. Have not heard back from my landlord. He's in the process of selling the house. So if someone wants to buy the house, let me know. It's $1.4 million. So if you want to buy it so I can continue to live here, that'd be cool.
Thank you guys for watching the vlog. If you guys want to see more, please subscribe, comment something below, and like this video. Thank you.